What I do like and what I don't like about making money on Amazon as an affiliate, right? I'm going to be talking about Amazon affiliate marketing and what I do like about it and what I don't like about it. My name is Alex. I'm a super affiliate online. I've been making money online with affiliate-based marketing ever since 2018. Documentation beats conversation. This is just my honest review about Amazon affiliate marketing. Now, the pro about Amazon affiliate marketing, it's a trusted brand, right? Everybody trusts Amazon. Everybody knows Amazon. Everybody buys stuff on Amazon. So simply, if you go get an affiliate link and people go to that website, it's a trusted brand, right? People understand Amazon. They like buying from Amazon, so they trust Amazon. This is good for affiliates because there is a bias, right? When people buy on shady websites online, right? But they trust Amazon, so people trust Amazon. So when you send out an affiliate link, they're going to buy and you can make some commission, right? That's number one. A lot of people trust Amazon. Like the world trusts Amazon on buying stuff on Amazon. The second thing I really don't like about Amazon affiliate is you only make 3 to 5% of the total sale, right? So the average person spends around $80 on Amazon, right? So if you're an affiliate of Amazon and you only make 3 to 5% of 3 to 5% commissions on every sale, right? And the average sale is $80. That means you're only making like $7, $8 per commission per sale, right? So that's kind of, I don't really like to do those things. I'd rather promote affiliate offers that at least have multiple upsells, that at least pay me $50 to $100+ per sale, so then I can leverage my advertisement budget, and it just makes more sense to make more money per commission per sale. That's why I really don't recommend it, because like I said, you only make 3 to 5% commission per sale. The average person spends like $80. That means you're only making $3 to $5 per person, when you can go find affiliate offers that pay you $50, $100, $200 per sale, and you make more money per customer. That's just my opinion. The third thing I don't really like about Amazon affiliate is they have a net 30, meaning that you have to wait 30 days to get your commissions. Now, running advertisement online, paid advertisement online, you want to have at least, you want to get paid every single week, right? So then, because if you're spending money on paid advertisement, right, on your credit card, etc., you want the commissions to come back fast, so then you can pay off your credit card and get more credit, just do it that way. When you have a net 30, that means you have to wait 30 days to get the money from Amazon affiliate, when you can go to other affiliate accounts and get paid every single week, right? Warrior Plus every single week. JVZoo pays me every week. ClickBank pays me every week. Digistore 24 pays me every single week. So I'd rather get paid every single week than every 30 days with Amazon, right? Also, with Amazon, right, they have a cookie policy, meaning that if I send you a link, right, and you click on that link, it's called a cookie, right? You're embedded, right? My affiliate link is embedded on your website, on your computer, right? But if you click on someone else's link, right, now they have their cookie, now it's embedded on your computer, so then the person that put the link there is, you're not going to make the commission, the other person's going to make the commission, right? I really don't like this because people click links all the time. So if I'm spending time or energy or money on advertising these products on social media, I want people to click my link so I make money, not other people clicking other links so they make money, right? Because at the end of the day, we only make money when people go to a website and buy something, right? So I want them to click on my affiliate link to go to a website that I direct them to, so I make money as an affiliate, right? I don't want them to click on another person's link so the other person makes money, because I'm spending my time and money to advertise, to create this content, to create the ads, to do all this direct response advertisement. I want them to click my link so I make money as an affiliate. At the end of the day, like, this is what we signed up for, right? We wanted to make money online. We do affiliate marketing. We want to be our own boss, work from home. But at the end of the day, we only make money when people buy from our link. So I want them to click my link instead of other people's links. And if there's no cookies, then this is bad, right? So this is why I really don't recommend it for these 3 reasons. Is number one, you only get paid 3 to 5% commission per sale. So if you're spending your time and energy and money producing content, creating the ads, spending money on advertising budget, and you're only making $3, $5 per commission, then the return on your investment is very, very low. Why not advertise offers, affiliate links that pay you $50, $100, $200+, right? Makes more sense. You can go to Digistore 24, clickbank.com. Just go to pretty much Google, right? Go to Google, type in affiliate marketing networks, and go join some networks. It's all free on the internet. You guys have to do some Googles. That's it. It's my review on Amazon affiliate marketing. Does it work? Yes. Can you make money with Amazon affiliate marketing? Yes, but I don't like 3 to 5% commissions. I don't like net 30 pays, and I don't like the cookie system that they have set up. When I can go to other affiliate websites that pay weekly, that have higher commissions, and that have 60, 30, 90-day cookies embedded inside my affiliate links. Peace.